When the trucks come back in, we're looking to have all the blankets on these pad boards strapped really secure to the pad boards and strapped really secure to the wall. Salvador's going to show you how to fold one. Basically, fold them in half, and then fold them in half again. And then one end is called the head and one end is called the tail. All the heads on this one are on the left side. So you see how Salvador lines those heads up. And then the other type of pad that we have is called a skin. And these are smaller, usually the burlaps or smaller pads, and they just get put on the top once all the blankets have been stacked. We're stacking 45 blankets and then 10 skins, or 40 blankets and 10 skins. And then they just get strapped off real secure when we're done. Make sure they don't fall off the wall. And you got to go down behind the pads pretty good so that you can get a nice tight fit. Okay, and dollies go against the wall here, and all of the boxes, if you have them, they'll just stay where they are at the back of your truck. These are called minimums. All right, thank you.